drink a small, little bit Red Horse lang.
No, you're going to die.
I'm not going to die, but at least a little bit lang.
No,
Please forgive me.
no,
Why? Why you angry when Papa drinking Red Horse?
because that's so bad. You're going to die.
Small lang.
No.
Because Papa is stirred up laba.
I'm going to like this.
What's that?
Oh,
Don't hurt Papa.
no buy Red Horse.
It's only small lang.
No, I'm going to like this again.
No, it's hurt.
Hi, mommy. Hi.
Can I drink that later?
No,
Because Papa is
No.
to drink. Because Papa is thirsty.
no, only water.
Only water lang? Why only water lang?
Because it's healthy.
Papa is lonely when Papa
Why
drinking.
young? Red Horse is not healthy young.
Yeah.
Papa is Papa.
It's only juice lang. Only juice.
You know, Papa. You know, Ate. When
Juice is healthy.
Ate, when Papa is drinking water, Papa is lonely. You don't want Papa to
I'm
be
going to
happy.
stop you again.
No, stop, Papa. I'm explaining. I'm.
Buy Red Horse
explaining
again?
to you. Ah!
Buy Red Horse again.
Oh. Ikaw pa.
Dili na mag-drink si Papa. Dili na mag-drink ng Red Horse. Ah.
What is that?